It's a very interesting words, cause and effect. What is the cause and what is the effect? And so, yes, one of the effects of a great launch or an effective launch is sales. There's other effects, beautiful benefits and effects of it. And so we need to be focusing on the cause.
Right.
And that cause causes the effect.
Yeah.
Right?
Love it. Yep.
And so we're going to look more at the cause. The things that you should be focusing on that will give you the effects that you want. For example, let me give you another example so we really anchor in this cause and effect metaphor. A lot of people say things like, I want to get more of a following. So they focus on more of a following. How do I get more people? How do I reach more people? But what causes more of a following is rarely what people focus on. I will tell you what causes more following. What causes more following is being a leader. Being a leader to your marketplace, embodying ways of beings and saying things and doing things that most people can't and won't,
right,
are things that cause following.